Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're unboxing and taking a look at the No Bad Days Daily Affirmations for a Joyful Life by Ines Duhard and Jolane Jly. Hopefully I'm pronouncing those names correctly. I do apologize if I'm not. It retails for $19.95 in the US and is published by Red Wheel. Thank you so much to Red Wheel for sending this my way. And of course, everywhere that you can purchase this will be listed legitimately and linked down in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. No Bad Days will inspire you to start each day with a positive intention and to live in gratitude. Each of the 39 cards provides an affirmation as well as a daily exercise. Here you'll find suggestions for yoga positions, breathing techniques, an inspiring playlist, tips for personal development, prompts for intuitive writing, and more. Make this oracle part of your daily practice and let it guide you toward inner harmony and joy. Package contains 39 full-color cards and a 96-page guidebook. This looks adorable. I love the 60s, 70s kind of vibe here. Okay, let's take a peek at the guidebook first. All right, so we have a nice table of contents with introduction, the 3 themes, purifying your oracle, a 3-card draw, and a 1-card draw, and then the meaning of the cards. Okay. You can consult this oracle for day-to-day guidance, simply to provide the mood for your day or to ask a specific question with the purpose of cleansing your energies, freeing your emotional state, or figuring out a life path, a response that can be interpreted as energetic inspiration. We devised our No Bad Days oracle to be joyful, colorful, and of course positive so that it can serve as reassurance, as a guide, as inspiration, as an impetus to dive in. Okay, so freedom are the orange cards. This theme represents the past. These are your foundations, your roots, the basis of your questioning, and they reflect your current intentions. So you have to begin by drawing a card from this theme first, so as to visualize the starting point, the change you want to make, and why you are asking this question now. What is your desire for freedom? What is preventing you from moving forward? And what do you need to free yourself from these negative energies? Emergence are the pink cards. These cards represent the present. This is the moment of rebirth. They say that nice weather always comes after the rain. This is the 2nd card you need to draw. It will provide you with an indication of your current state of mind. It will highlight the problem you stressed earlier and enable you to rid of the daily mist that made you unable to focus clearly on your intentions. It's time to forge ahead and to shine. And the achievements are the blue cards. This is the final category of cards. This is the path toward personal accomplishment that we are all hoping for, whether self-achievement or the completion of a project. It is the realization of your desire and putting your newfound freedom into practice. This card shows the future. Everything is possible once you've cleansed your spirit, purified your intentions, and observed the situation clearly. It involves an awakening toward a serene, enlightened, positive, and aligned life. It enables you to see life differently and open your heart and mind to new perspectives. All right, so there's the 3-card draw, and then the 1 card. And then it goes into the meanings. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, there we go. So it does have them on the back. So you'll notice the difference between the freedom, the emergence, and the achievement. Okay. Cardstock is on the thinner side, but it's not paper thin. It's almost a medium thickness. Not as sturdy as I would say medium thickness would be, but good quality, flexible, snapping back. Here we go. Oh, fun. Okay. So we're going backwards. Let me go ahead and we're just going to flip them over. How about that? So that way we have the correct way of going about it here. Autonomy. Choice. Guide, conscience, decisions, I love the art style. freedom, tolerance, sincerity, gratitude. We have a number at the top as well. Harmony, light, and roots. Okay, emergence cards. Travel, movement, fun, courage, power, abundance, blooming, cute, magic, I love that, strength, acceptance, opening the mind, knowledge, experience, and support. And then the achievement cards. Foundation, love, future, intuition, always follow your intuition, present moment, forgiveness, confidence, inner power, vibration, connecting, transformation, alignment, and serenity. Love the fun art style. I'm going to shuffle them all as one just so we can get a feel for that. That was my fault. There we go. All right, and overhand. Yeah, nice. Okay, we're going to read for Emancipation. Card number 1. Okay. Message. You are on the right path. You have managed to free yourself from your chains, and the time is right. This card opens your eyes to the possibilities available to you. You are getting back to your true nature. You are taking stock of your needs and desires, allowing yourself the freedom to finally find the life that is yours. Rid yourself of conventions of what is expected of you. Break ranks and achieve what you have always wanted to achieve. So there's a mantra. I free myself from prejudices and obligations. And then we have an exercise, visualization. To help you open your mind to the beauty of life, your abilities, and your inner power, here is a visualization exercise. Lie back in a comfortable place and put a cloth over your eyes. Breathe deeply for 10 seconds. Picture yourself in the middle of a green meadow where you can see butterflies and bees gathering nectar from the white flowers at your feet. A warm breeze caresses your face and invites you to breathe gently. The sparkling sunshine passes through your heart and fills you with light. Catch its warmth to retain all of its power within you. Fill yourself with all the good vibes of this really simple and pure moment in time. Your soul is at peace. You breathe in and draw an undefinable strength. Next to a tree lies a path beckoning you. Intrigued, you follow it, and turns out to be the path toward a new life that is opening up to you. One that you have chosen and that you will build. All right. So each of these cards has an exercise. I really like this. Sometimes I need a little encouragement to do an exercise, and this will actually be a great one because there's different types. You know, it's not just journaling or breath work. I really like that. And I like that it's very simple and easy to use. I like that there are multiple different ways of using this. I like that it's very beginner friendly. I like the price, and I like the art style. I think it's very fun, vibrant, and unique and different. It's very easy to get intuitive hits off of as well. It's just different and fun. It's refreshing. So I'm really excited to get to know this on a deeper basis. And now I'm going to turn it over to you. Is this something you're excited about? Is this something that you didn't know about? Is this something that you think you would benefit from? Please let me know all down below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a butterfly to let me know that you have. And thank you so much to Red Will for sending this my way. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.